Today, we explore the complex and fascinating relationship between Apple and China. How did Apple become a company that can't function without China, and why is that now its greatest risk? In the early 2000s, Apple saw explosive global demand for the iPod and later, the iPhone. To meet this demand, Apple needed an unparalleled manufacturing capability. It found the answer in China. But China wasn't just about cheap labor. It offered millions of flexible workers, rapidly built infrastructure, and unwavering government support. This so-called China speed matched Apple's ambitions perfectly. At the center of it all was Foxconn. Starting in Shenzhen, this factory hired hundreds of thousands of workers and became the beating heart of Apple's supply chain. iPhones, iPads, all assembled there. To support this ecosystem, Apple made massive investments. Between 2016 and 2021, it reportedly pledged $275 billion to China, an amount surpassing the Marshall Plan. Apple's success was now deeply intertwined with China's rise. But this success came with a hidden cost. As Apple shared its technology and processes, Chinese companies quickly learned and grew stronger. This knowledge transfer created new rivals, on China's terms. Journalist Patrick McGee calls this a Faustian bargain, a deal where Apple gained incredible growth at the price of deep entanglement. Then came the geopolitical storm. As US-China tensions escalated, Apple found itself squeezed from both sides. The US demanded onshore production, China tightened its grip through data laws and censorship. Apple responded by diversifying, moving some production to India and Vietnam. But replicating China's precision, scale, and skilled workforce isn't easy. For now, China remains irreplaceable. Tim Cook has admitted it, Apple couldn't exist without China. That reality still holds. So what's next? Apple faces a strategic dilemma. The world is becoming more divided, but technology remains global. How can Apple navigate this paradox? In the end, Apple's challenge isn't about leaving China, but managing its dependency wisely. If you found this story insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.